Advantage and disadvantage of video calling. Advantage: one, communication with anyone. I can communicate with anyone on the planet in a few seconds. 2, any device. I can make the video call from any device. 3, organize a job. We can organize work with people and give their guidelines from the video call. Disadvantage: 1, too much internet. When we make a video call, it consumes a lot internet and there might be connection problems. 2, internet plan. I must have a good internet plan to have excellent service. 3, meeting psychical. There are people who prefer the meeting psychical and not by video call. Thank you, teacher.